pushes, you're on the gas 100%, hit this apex. So you gotta accelerate through this apex. See how you let off the gas, that's how we start. Just a little bit of letting off the gas is gonna kill you when you're pushing it like this. So this is 9 and 10. Usually we go straight there.
Oh. So they just put this back on the track?
Huh?
They just added these back into the track?
Yeah, they just move the cones and you're good. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great.
So this is a real push. The car pushes out to the left, and then it goes downhill right here.
How many, like, laps can you do on these set of tires?
Well, probably about 100.
Okay.
It's only 2.3 miles, so it's, so that's, 220 miles. I guess we got so much braking power.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's a little wide, but it pushes. See, that's a delta timer to the last lap or the best lap.
Oh.
So green is good. And then you gotta accelerate here, and then brake, and then let the car rotate. On the gas, take this a little wider because we're setting up for turn 9 here. So we gotta stay out here, and then hit this apex, and then brakes, and then hit this apex. Ooh, swinging around. See, that's pretty good. Let's get it. Gotta go. Now we're gonna catch up to these. See, here we're going like 115. Now we're going 60. That blue signs means they should let me by.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they have different, like green is good, right? Blue means let somebody pass.
Yeah.
There's somebody faster than you behind.
Very similar to motocross. They have the same thing. Blue flag, let someone pass.
And then red is not good. That means there's emergency on the track. And then yellow is there's caution ahead. You know the usual stuff, right?
Yeah.
have enough fun?
Oh, I had a great time. I actually started feeling that gut wrenching feeling Zach was talking about earlier now.
Oh yeah, okay. We can take. Well, they did cool down lap. Okay.
Okay.
And then we can go.
Awesome.
So the brakes are so hot right now. You know, actually, about a month and a half ago, I pushed it like down.
Yeah.
And the brakes caught on fire.
Really?
Yeah. So they got toast. So now I need to make sure I do a cool down lap. You know, the pads.
Yeah.
Then, you know, they showed me a picture. They were black and burnt.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I need to take better care of my car.
Wow. Yeah, Zach and I, we had this mountain up behind our house in Prescott Valley, and we were always taking our I had an old Acura, we'd always take it up there. We thought we were so cool, man. This doesn't even compare. This is at such an entire different level. Just so much more speed and precision.
A lot of G-forces here.
Yeah. So much more fun.
Yeah, I've been up. I think I know where you're talking about.
Mingus.
There's
Yeah.
there's a lot of open two-lane